hopefully this works. No solution, to start with the sides with more boxes. I'm going to put 2 plus a negative 3 plus a negative x plus a negative 4. I would distribute first 2 plus negative 3x plus the 12. 14 plus negative 3x. Okay, so no solution means the coefficient is the same. So negative 3x, so that's a negative 3 plus 10. This has to be, the constant has to be different. Okay? And then you solve plus 3x. 10 does not equal to 14. No solution. Infinite solution. Let's take the same number. Okay, well, I can choose something different. Okay, so let's say 5, 6, 7. 5 plus a negative 6, parentheses x plus a negative 7. Okay. Distribute first, you get negative 6x. Distribute here. Did it stop? Okay, good. You get a positive 42, 5, and that's a 47, plus a negative 6, x. That equals to infinite solution. You need to have negative 6 here and a 47 there. So negative 6x plus 47. That's 6x. 47 equals to 47, infinite solution. Explain the difference between them. The only difference between them is infinite solution has to have both have the same coefficient. While infinite solution has the same coefficient, constant, but no solution has different. Constant. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's look at this one. 4 friends have different numbers of video game. Jorge, first person is Jorge. So Jorge has 2 more than, flip, so it's plus 2, twice the video game as Carla. 2 times Carla. Marcus has half as many games as Jorge. Dominic has 9 less, 4 times the video game as Carla. So Carla's x. Okay? So, x for Carla, 2x plus 2. Jorge then is 2x plus 2 here. Distribute that. You get x plus 1. 4x minus 9. Okay, so here is Carla and Dominic has the same amount of video games. So Carla and Dominic. So we get 4x minus 9, 4x minus 9 plus Carla is x, has the same amount. That means equal to Jorge. Jorge is 2x plus 2. Marcus is x plus 1. So we got 5x minus 9 equals to 3x plus 3. So we go, okay, I hope I did this right, minus 3x. 2x minus 9 equals to 3. Add 9. You get 2x equals to 12. Divide by 2. X equals to 6. X represents Carla. So Carla has 6 video games. Okay, let's write that in a sentence. Carla has 6 video games. Okay, if that's the case, 2 times Carla, 2 times 6, plus 2 is 14 for Jorge. Jorge has 14 video games. 6 plus 1 is 7. So Marcus has 7. And Dominic, 6 times 24 minus 9 is 15. So 15 for Dominic. Make sure you write in a complete sentence. I think I wrote too big here, or I don't have enough room. Okay. So 4 brothers spent different amount of money in a recent vacation. Let's look at Matt. Okay, Matt spent 20 more, so that's plus 20, than twice Todd, 2 times Todd. Jeff spent half as much as Matt. James spent 3 times as much as Todd, so 3 times Todd. How much did each brother spend if they spent this much in total? Okay, so we know Todd, we don't have Todd, so Todd is x. Therefore, we get 2x plus 20 is Matt. Okay, so 2x plus 20 is Matt. That leaves you distribute, that gives you 1x. Distribute, that gives you plus 10. Okay, and then that's 3x. That's just x. You solve that, and you would get, okay, they have a total of that, so it has to equal to that. So we get, I'll write Todd first, x first here, so I don't forget, x plus this one, 2x plus 20, plus this one, plus x plus 10, plus this one, and it equals to a total of that. Okay, we get, let's see, 3, 4, 7 plus 30. equals to 450 minus 30, 420, divide by 7, x equals to 80, no, $60. Who spent $60? Todd spent $60. X represents Todd. Todd spent $60. Okay, well, 3 times 60 is 180. James spent $180. Jeff spent $70. And Matt spent That's how you do that. Okay, we did the airline club here in class. I think we ran out of time on C. We got here was the equation Mexican was 550. P, where P is the number of people, equals C, which is cost. Okay, Fiesta. Fiesta was 250 plus times the number of people plus that $3,300 in fee. Okay, so if the Spanish club raised this much from selling fireworks, how many students can go to Mexico City? Which airline would be best to use? Okay, so we need put 550 at the cost, so under C for each one of them, okay? Let's do first Mexican Airlines. So 550 P equals to 5,000. P equals to how many? Let's check. Calculator. Nine people. Can't take 0.9 of a person, so 9 people. Okay, let's see. Fiesta. Take how many people? Minus that. See how many people can go. 170 divided by 25. Six people can go. Obviously, Mexican Air is a better deal because 9 people can go with $5,000 compared to 6. You write down Mexican Air we'll take 9 students.